Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. It is a cold, rainy day in Dallas, so I am not going to be running, but this is a nice little running uh, Camelback kind of concept here. You can check this out here. Look at that. So it's got it even says Runlight, so it's super light, and it's got all the straps and everything on it here. I'm going to try this on and show you guys what we're talking about. But here, let me show you the inside of it first. Let's see. So we have these bungees here. So if you wanted a bungee, so if you're going and you bring in like a jacket or something like that, when you take it off, you can kind of stick it into this compartment here to kind of hold on to it, which is nice. Or if I'm like just going hiking and stuff, I will sometimes do that as well. Inside, we have the water pouch. It looks like it came packaged up as well. So what I do before I go for my runs, I always have these things cleaned and ready to go. And what I do is I have like a water filter, like one of those Brita things, and I will go and just fill this up from there. So it will unscrew here. Let's just show you guys there. You got a nice big area there, so it'll make it nice and quick to fill. Just fill that sucker up, and I'll show you this here. So you'll have that filled, and then it will, okay, pretty simple. Just screw it on. I guess the whole little twisty thing spins with it, so you screw that on. Looks like it takes a full circle to be tight, which is nice. And then you can put this into your water pouch here. And it's a nice kind of a spandex kind of feeling item. So it'll do that. Let's see, these two hooks will hook up. So if you to keep it upright, it has its little ability here to Velcro these in. So I will Velcro this into place. So if you know when you're running, if you have these things here, sometimes it all works its way down and then it gets all tangled up so you don't get the water because the water comes out the bottom. This will prevent that. So how cool is that? So there we go. So now we would have our backpack full of water and that. We have this, and then the hose. Right now I have it coming out the zipper part, but really, which way do I wear it? I wear it this way. I want it to come around my right side. I'll stick it through. There's a little part right here. It comes through there. See, like that. Zip it. Now it zips up all the way, and it is coming out the side where I would want it. I can put this on here, and now I have this coming out. It's really long now. I'll probably stick most of it back in there, but let's see what we got here. I'm going to try to do this through the video. So I can kind of put this through here, just different places to hold it on. And I'm sure I will put more of this hose back in there. So it'll be more like that. And we can cinch up. We can put these on here. So we have the first clip here. I'm about 175 pounds today, so kind of gives you an idea of how this will fit. And I'm about 5'10", just to give you an idea. So you have that. We have a little place here. I can put my phone or something in there if I wanted to. I don't think I've really ever used one of those pouches, but that could be good. And then what do we have over here? We have a little cinch pouch. So we could put some of the goos and that stuff in here, so, or whatever the little stuff as we're running. So then we are given this whole thing here. We could even stick this in here if we don't want it to bounce out as much. Oh, here's a little strap right there. I would probably want to stick this through there to give it so it's always pretty accessible, so it's not flopping around. Now let me push this back up in here. So you have the ability, I mean, obviously I'm not set up perfectly now, but I'm set up pretty good. You see how I am. This is what it looks like in the back. So it's nice. It's got this cover on the one here. So if we take this off, I would say I usually end up ripping these things off and not keeping them. But then we've got this little nozzle here where it pulls out and in. That'll give me the ability to drink out of it. And then you can push. Yep, and it seals it back up. So how cool is this? And then if I wanted to, I could keep that closed too. But there we go. We have a nice running one here, and it looked like it held a lot of water in there. Let me go look at it again. And I always fill it with water. I never put any of the Gatorade stuff or anything like that in there. I don't know if anybody else does, but I wouldn't. For this, it says Runlight. Well, now I've Velcroed it in place, but let's see. It looks like a 1 liter, 1.5 liter, so it gets probably close to 2 liters of water in there. So you're good for a good day's run. So Totally nice. Nice bag. Got a little hanger here so I can hang it up in the car before I go or whatever. So I'm going to say this is nice. It's super light. Love it. Totally good. Thumbs up for sure.